ダメよダメなのよあんたが好きで好きすぎてどれだけ強いを避けても歪まない思い出がバカみたい。
Hey everyone, welcome back to Write with Ink. Today we are going to design and cover this epic meme song called Baka Mitai. If you want to know how I made the intro, you can actually click the link down below. It's very easy. Firstly, pour 2 types of ink into a saucer that you can find in your kitchen. Make sure the inks are well shaken before pouring. Next, wet your brush until it becomes smooth and supple. And make sure it is coated in ink from tip to toe. Now, we are going to design the song title first, then only the lyrics. Here comes my favorite part. Shush! Baka Mitai directly translates to too foolish, and Baka's kanji is formed by the word deer and horse, which is a little bit surprising when I first realized it. I can say the design of the title is quite decent as it has quite an amount of foolishness inside. Hope that makes sense. Make sure to wet your brush before proceeding. As I'm designing the lyrics, I just want to talk about why do I want to choose to design this. 1. It is because it is a meme. Right. 2. It has kanji and hiragana inside, so which is very similar to Chinese calligraphy, and thus I want to see what magic I can actually turn this into. And one more thing, just listen to the music. Just listen to it. It's so good. Which is why I decided to design and cover this song. Make sure to watch until the end of this video to listen to my cover, or you can actually find my video of me covering it in my channel, which I will link in the description below. The rationale behind these designs is to make the words pop out inside my cover video, which is why I opted for a larger brush rather than a small brush. I'm currently learning Japanese, and so I can guess which words carry the core meaning of the song, and by that I can emphasize on them by making the words big. The lyrics is split into a 3 to 5 words chunk as per how the singer sang them, and I wrote them with my pre-existing knowledge of Chinese calligraphy. This is my very first time writing Japanese hiragana using calligraphy, so there are major mistakes made. If you can spot them, do leave them down in the comments below, but if you can't, just pretend you didn't see them. Nonetheless, I really enjoyed this process of doing something new with calligraphy and made something out of it. If you have not noticed, this is the major mistake that I've made twice. Luckily, I got it right the 3rd time. It is actually the hiragana character of ki. The hiragana character is actually a mirrored image of Zuan, a Chinese character, but I simply did not have the connection at that time, so I got it wrong twice. But I managed to keep a calm mind and actually think about how to write the word, and I got the structure right and I got the pacing right, so that word looks better. There's nothing really much to commentate about at this point. I'll leave you guys with the background music of Baka Mitai and my calligraphy writing. Enjoy the next half of the song. If you have managed to watch until this point, congrats and thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate everyone who is watching this. For the processed images, you can actually visit my Instagram, which is moji at mo4ji4, and follow me to support this culture. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell also. See you in the next video. And here is my epic meme cover.
ダメだねダメよダメなのよあんたが好きで好きすぎでどれだけ強いを避けても歪まない思い出がバカみたい